When you are given a math problem to work on, it is very important for you to know what you are doing. Are you simplifying an expression, or are you evaluating an expression, or are you solving an equation? Let's see some examples to understand the difference among these three processes. Look at this example. When people ask you, what is 1 plus 2? Of course, you know the answer is 3. But what are you actually doing? Are you solving an equation here? No, you're not solving an equation because there is nothing to be solved here. You know 1 and 2 together is 3. You see it. Okay? So this is not solving an equation. You are actually simplifying this expression. You are simplifying 1 and 2 together to be a 3. Like you will not tell people, I have $1 and $2. You will just simply say, I have $3. That's why it's just a simplifying process. Look at this one. This one, when you are given 3x plus 1 equals to what? Some of you might say, well, it equals to 4. No, it's not equal to 4 because this 3x is a term with an x, and this 1 is a constant term. They are not like terms. You cannot do anything more. So basically 3x plus 1 is already at its simplest way to express it. So you don't have much more work to do. Of course, if you like, you can say 3x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 1x plus 1. That's just a different way to express this same thing. But that's not the most simple one for this expression. This expression itself is already at the most simple situation. There is no more way you can simplify this more. Look at this next example. If you are given this, what are you doing? You are given an expression and asked you equals to what? You just have to simplify this by distribution. Distribute this 2 in there. So it becomes 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2 is the same expression as 2 times parenthesis 3x plus 1. But 6x plus 2, there is no parenthesis anymore. So it looks simpler than the original given one. So we called this process as simplifying. So remember, distribution is a way to simplify an expression. You're not solving anything. And this example, 3x plus 1 minus x minus 5 equals to what? Again, here you are going to simplify this expression by combine like terms. Put 3x minus x together, that becomes 2x. And the plus 1 minus 5 becomes negative 4. So you will have an expression 2x minus 4 here. That is a simple expression. Compared to this one, it gets much more simpler. So we called this process as simplifying again. How about this one? This one says, you're given an expression. They ask you 3x plus 1 equals to what if x is 2? This is called evaluating because you have to give this 2 to this x. In other words, plugging this 2 into this x, so it becomes 3 times 2 plus 1, you'll get 7. That's when you know the value of x, so you evaluate the expression. Okay? Evaluating an expression means go find the value of that expression when you are given the value of that x. Look at this example. This one is another example. What are you doing here? This is another expression. They ask you what does this expression equal to? If x is 2, you have the value of the x. So you just plug in this value into this expression to find an output value. That value is the value for this expression if x is 2. That whole process is called evaluating. Again, you are not solving an unknown x. You already know the value of x. So you plug in that x into that expression to find the value of that expression. So we call this whole process evaluating the expression. Now look at this one. This one is different. It says 3x plus 2 equal to 5. What is x? This one, you did not know the x. You just know this expression itself equals to 5. So you have to find that x that makes this statement true. In other words, there is only one x is going to make this true. X is not equal to 2, not equal to 3, not equal to 5, or not equal to anything else, except x has to be 1. Then you have to go through the solving process to find that value for that x. We call this whole solving process as solving an equation. You have to learn how to solve an equation. Here you have an equal sign here. So you are given an equation, then you have to solve that equation.